BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-Num, please report back to ITS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batuu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall...
Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Fuel pressure line.
Troops must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good.
Standing by.
Affirmative. Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. Lieutenant Beck, as you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready.
Congratulations! Today is a glorious day. For now, you and this ship are under the control of the First Order. So disembark immediately and proceed down the hallway for processing. Go now.
To me? It's like a horror movie.
Down the hallway.
This is creepy. Stop right here, single file behind the other.
We're in class. Single file, Bailey, single file.
Why is it puffy? It looks like a creature. It's quite disgusting.
Taking unauthorized scans on all ships.
I apologize and I understand.
Both lines this way. Where are you going? Stand here. Full stand on blue.
What species is it? How unfortunate.
He said 2 on red.
Blue and red into the cell.
We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
So this is R5. He's going to take care of the guys out there. He's going to make sure that you guys escape. Right, recruits? Good luck.
Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a breach and you're touching block 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these 2 droids anyway?
Attention block breach. Prisoners not seen on net deep. There they are! Fire!
Take cover, recruits! If anyone's taking a blaster, now's a good time. Ah! The escape pod's just below us! Wait, why are you going up? I said down! Up is bad! Up is real bad!
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Abandoned ship! I repeat, abandoned ship! This destroyer's about...
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
You guys really like cutting
ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for his pod beacon.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Welcome back, recruits. Welcome back. Great job up there. As you exit your transport, please make sure you watch your step, leave no cargo behind, and may the force be with you.